Hey traders, Alex Ong here, and I've just put together this video to show you another trade opportunity that I've literally just got involved in. That was one in the Australian dollar. You see, the Australian dollar is something that I've been quite excited about over the past couple of weeks. Back last year, it printed a low, and then towards the end of last year and beginning of this year, it printed another low. Then over the past few weeks, it's broken out through a structure level and it's come up towards the highs of the range that it's been in for the last year or so. But the momentum is still very, very much to the upside. If you take a look at the chart here, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So we've got the market came down, printed a low back there in 2016. Then it kind of rallied a bit, went sideways, and then pulled back to that level again in December of last year. It's broken through this structure level over here. It then came up towards these highs and then pulled back to this structure level again. Now, I personally think that there's a lot of momentum here, so I don't necessarily see this pair dropping beneath this structure level and going all the way back down towards the lows, although it's very, very possible. So I decided to start building a position in this trade here from the current support level. And let's jump into the 4-hour chart to give you a better idea of what it is that I'm looking at. So from the 4-hour chart perspective, this line over here is the resistance level. And you can see that it's then pulled back to this level over here, which is another key level. So it would have been support and resistance in the past. And basically, I was going to get involved in it yesterday, but I actually missed the opportunity. And then I decided to put in an order just in case it came back to that level, this level over here from which I want to buy from. And it actually came back there this morning. So that was very good. Got involved in this trade over here. And I'm looking for it to come up towards these highs over here. If it were to drop a little bit lower, so if it doesn't automatically go up to these highs here, I would equally be okay with taking a position from down here. So I don't have a stop directly beneath this level over here. This is a position that I'm looking to. Obviously, I'd like to get the short-term profits, but by the same token, if the short-term profits don't play out, I'm equally happy to take a sort of like a little bit of a longer-term or medium-term perspective on this, view on this rather, and look to hold it for a couple of weeks in order to achieve the profit target. If the market does drop down here, I won't be looking for the market to come all the way back up to this level over here. I'd literally just be looking for a small move up to this previous level over here where I've got my first position. Okay, and if I'm able to do that, then what I'll do is I'll close both positions out for a net profit, because the position I got into over here will be in profit. The position that I got into at this level will be break even. So net, I will have made money on the trade without it having to go anywhere or do anything very, very special. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get value out of it. As always, remember, this is not trade advice. This is just showing you the way I go about analyzing the markets, and hopefully you can learn a couple of things from that and then implement it in your own trading. All right, if you like the video, if you like all of these videos, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, post a comment beneath the video, all of that kind of good stuff, and subscribe to the channel. If you're not already subscribed, if you've just kind of stumbled upon this video right here, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we've got plenty of really, really cool stuff coming up and videos like this, obviously. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you very soon.